Hi guys, I'm Bad Diamond, and we can see classic leathers here. Yes, and my classic is already in my shop for a while, maybe few months. Yes, but it doesn't make many sales in my shop. And today I just have the order in the classic covers here, and I want to enjoy it to you guys again. You can see it's just very smooth, and the color is like the red bricks color. Yes, and the thickness is just in the perfect thickness. Yes, not too thick and not too thin, and it's very sturdy leather. Yeah, you can see close. And in the surface there is no any scars or no any marks on it, but you can still see the some textures inside the leather. So you can see here it's really very smoothly smoothly leathers here. Yes, and today this order will make it in the hobo wigs. So we can see I prepare the materials here, and we'll make it in the hobo wigs soon. Okay, so let's start to make it now and see how it turns out. Okay, see you later. Hi guys, I'm back. And we can see the hobo wigs in the classic leather is here. Yes, it's very smooth and very sturdy leather. Yes, this is my first time to make the classic leathers in the hobo with cover. Yes, and inside just like this, and she chose a very cute little buttons here. Yes, we can see little buttons here. Yes, and inside is just the regular pocket in the hobo wigs, and it's a little, I will say it's not too firm, but also not too floppy too. It's just like in the middle. Yeah. And because the original thickness is already very perfect, so we can see even it combined with the 3 pieces of the leathers, the thickness is just very perfect. Yeah, not too thick and not too thin. Yes, and the middle without just only 1 piece is also very sturdy. You can see, and with the edge, yes, it's really beautiful. And I think after this video, I think many of you will interested in the classic leather. Yes, because it's just really beautiful leather. Yes, and this is an Italian leather, so the amount is quite few. Yes, it's quite few, but I think still enough to make the orders if you like it. Yes. Okay, so you can see the hobo wigs in the classic leather is here. It's just beautiful, right? Okay, hope you guys will love the classic leather and will love the video. See you guys soon.